to do is take from my documents folder or whatever it is I'm working in, take a file like pictures here, and then open the zip drive and right click and paste. Now I have an exact duplicate of everything I have here to everything I have here. Now what's important about this is that when we have this, we know our information here is safe, but we have to keep it organized, we have to keep it neat. So I eject the disk. I always make sure I have it labeled something like this. You don't have to use a printout, write it, whatever you have to do to keep it neat. Make sure you date it, because that will tell you exactly when that backup's from. You don't know when you're going to lose data, when you're going to have a computer crash, when there's going to be something much worse in your house that's going to cause you to lose data. So you want to make sure that something in here is going to tell you exactly what you're backing up and what exists. Also, try and keep one of these disks at some other remote location. Either it's an office, a friend's house, something else in case there's a fire, something else that allows you to back up remotely.